I'm Ed Yarmak. I'm a professional engineer from the state of Alaska. I run a small manufacturing firm in Anchorage, and we manufacture two-phase thermosiphon devices. If this was a beer, my bar answer would be I freeze dirt. That's what I do. And you're going to wonder why we freeze dirt, because there's a lot of places where soil is frozen and it has a lot of water in it. And the water is ice, and when the water thaws out, that ice has no strength anymore. And so infrastructure, buildings, everything else fall down. It's a very interesting job. We do a lot of projects all over the state of Alaska. We've done some in Canada, we've done some in Russia, we've done some in other places of the world. These devices that we build are totally passive. They do not require electricity or any energy to run, and they pull heat out of the ground, release it to the air. Very simple.